stop. Knox 46, location of exit 13 of the Whitestone Expressway. In Astoria Boulevard for an auto accident. 1703 hours, dispatch to 318. For units starting about 2946, disregard 1584 by ladder 144. 1703 hours, dispatch. Is it 295K?
295, you have boxers?
Negative, remain in service.
295, 10-4.
1705, dispatch 318.